Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are discussing about Kawasaki Ninja 500 motorcycle features. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 stands proudly in the center of a luxurious showroom, its bold lines and aerodynamic design demanding attention. The polished floor reflects its sleek bodywork, amplifying its striking presence under the ambient showroom lighting. The large illuminated display on the wall showcases the name, Kawasaki Ninja 500 inches in a modern, futuristic font, reinforcing its identity as a machine built for both speed and sophistication. The deep metallic paint shimmers under the soft glow, highlighting the carefully sculpted fairings that contribute to its aggressive yet refined look. Every detail of the Ninja 500 speaks of precision engineering. The sharp twin LED headlights give it a fierce and commanding presence, ready to cut through the night with unmatched clarity. The sculpted fuel tank not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also ensures a comfortable grip, allowing the rider to seamlessly connect with the machine. The ergonomically designed seat offers a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it suitable for both spirited rides and long-distance journeys. The high-tech digital instrument cluster displays vital riding information with crisp clarity, merging cutting-edge technology with intuitive usability. The aerodynamic windshield, seamlessly integrated into the front fairing, enhances high-speed stability while contributing to the bike's aggressive stance. Every inch of this motorcycle is a testament to Kawasaki's racing DNA, from the finely tuned chassis to the precisely engineered suspension system designed to handle every curve with precision. The Ninja 500's heart is a powerful parallel twin engine, delivering an exhilarating rush of power with every twist of the throttle. The exhaust note resonates through the showroom, a deep and refined growl that hints at the performance waiting to be unleashed. The lightweight frame ensures agile handling, making it perfect for carving through tight corners or accelerating down an open highway. The high-performance tires, wrapped around stunning alloy wheels, provide superior grip and stability in all riding conditions. As the Ninja 500 stands under the showroom lights, it embodies a perfect fusion of performance and luxury. The walls are adorned with sleek branding, and the spacious showroom is designed to create an atmosphere of exclusivity. The ambient lighting casts dramatic shadows, accentuating the aggressive lines of the bike while drawing the eye to every intricate detail. The reflection of the bike on the polished floor creates an almost surreal effect, making it feel as if it is poised to move even while standing still. Enthusiasts and potential buyers admire the Ninja 500 from every angle, captivated by its dynamic profile and premium fit and finish. Some run their fingers along the sharp edges of the fairings, appreciating the craftsmanship that has gone into its design. Others take a step back, imagining the thrill of riding this machine on winding roads or open highways, feeling the wind rush past as they accelerate into the horizon. The braking system, equipped with advanced ABS technology, ensures precise stopping power and enhanced safety. The rear suspension, finely tuned for both comfort and performance, absorbs road imperfections while maintaining stability at high speeds. The bike's aggressive rear section, complete with a sleek LED taillight, enhances its sporty look while optimizing aerodynamics. The compact and streamlined exhaust design further complements the Ninja 500's overall aesthetics, adding a modern touch to its performance-oriented nature. The luxurious showroom setting only adds to the bike's allure, emphasizing its premium status. The digital screens surrounding the showroom display breathtaking visuals of the Ninja 500 in action, racing through cityscapes and twisting mountain roads. The immersive atmosphere enhances the excitement, making it impossible to ignore the presence of this incredible machine. This is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a lifestyle, a statement of passion and precision. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 is designed for those who crave adrenaline, those who seek the perfect blend of performance and style. Whether parked under the showroom lights or tearing through the streets, it stands as an icon of modern sportbike engineering. The illuminated, Kawasaki Ninja 500 inches sign on the wall serves as a reminder that this is more than just a machine, it's a legend in the making. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.